Hello honeys, I'm Arisana, this is your trigger warning and welcome to The Real Woman. Before we get started, make sure you check out the description below for links to my blog, Instagram, and Tumblr, where you can find most of the makeup and a few answers to some questions about these videos. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the notification button to know when I upload again. So let's get started. Today for Makeup Around the World, we are going to Tajikistan, a mountainous country in Central Asia bordered by Afghanistan to the south, Uzbekistan to the west, Kazakhstan to the north, and China to the east. Today I had already applied lotion, BB cream, and powder foundation before I made the video, so you can go ahead and do your personal foundation or contouring routine. I was using inspiration from both modern and traditional Tajik looks, as with most of my makeup looks. And traditional Tajik women have very strong eyebrows. Some completely fill their bridge across both brows to create one single one, as these type of eyebrows, especially unibrows, are seen as a sign of beauty. I used both brow gel and powder to keep the color very pigmented. I'm not going with the full, complete brow, but I did accentuate them greatly and add probably about an extra inch to them in total. I added probably about a ½ inch inward to my brow. You can go however far in or far out as you like. The colors I chose for my eyes were based on images of both modern and traditional Tajik clothing, but this is just inspiration, so choose whichever colors you would like. Personally, I used deep red, hunter green, golden yellow, sky blue, and a deep fuchsia color to make a patchwork type design just on my eyelid. Then I applied a shimmer highlighting type powder just under my brow. Next, mascara. I applied mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. If possible, I would suggest you use a lengthening mascara for this look, but this is what I have for now, and whatever you have will work.
Ye sar to sari no duna ekhav koi dariye
When it came to blush, I used a deep rose color, but a more tan or bronze would look really nice as well. For the lips, I literally dabbed some pink lipstick to give a tinge of color without having straight pink lips or lipsticked lips, because the eyes already have so much attention and color in it. Possible accessories for this look would include any metal jewelry like gold or silver, especially coins and hoops, and also beads or crystal type jewelry. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and learned something new. Are you from Tajikistan? Did you like my inspired look? What would you have added or changed to make it more fitting to what you know your country is? Comment down below, subscribe for more, and hit the notification button for updates on my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
سروش دختری ملا اومده هی خش و تبار پشوا زیارم بروه هی دولتی رفتگین به بنیاد اومده قدکی بلند 600 قد ابروی کمن 600